Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widia N.R. I'm a student of English Education Study Program Class C with SRN 19001120005. Okay, in this video, I will teach you about things in the garden. So, student, let's pay attention to my explanation about things in the garden. So here we have a flip books. So in this flip books is the title is, and the material is about things in the garden. So this is the vocabulary books. So in this book I have this, and this. So in the first page, so we have tools in the garden, and then in the second page we have the plant in the garden, and then in the third page we have animals in the garden, and then in the last page we have a vocabulary about the garden. So we begin with in the first page. So here we learn about the vocabulary and tools in the garden. So in the first things is who in bahasa is cangkul, and then we have a rake in bahasa is penggaruk, and the third we have a shovel in bahasa is skop besar ya. Kemudian selanjutnya di sini we have watering can. Ini in bahasa Indonesia is penyiram bunga. And then we have a big spade. So ini this in Indonesia we have a skop kecil. And then next is spade. This is the big spade, or in Indonesia we call it sekop. And then we have a hedge scissors. So in bahasa this is gunting dahan. And then next we have a hose. A hose in bahasa is selang air. And then next this is gardening fork, or in bahasa is garpu, atau garpu taman, kebun. Kemudian next we have bucket. So in bahasa this is we call ember. And then next this is we have boots. So in bahasa boots is sepatu boot. And then next we have glove. In bahasa is sarung tangan. And then the last one we have sip, or in bahasa we called celurit, or cut the grass. Okay, next page we have the plants in the garden. So the plant in the garden, we have a banana tree, and then we have tree, and then we have a flower, and then we have also fruits, plant fruits, and then we have seeds plant, and then we have grass, of course, and then we have vegetable, and then we have bush, or in bahasa is semak belukar. Okay, next page is about animal in the garden. So animal in the garden we have ladybird atau kumbang, and then we have squirrel, or in bahasa is tupai, and then we have spider. You know spider in bahasa is laba-laba. Kemudian next is bird. Bird in bahasa is burung, and then we have butterfly. Butterfly in bahasa is kupu-kupu. And then next we have ant. Ant in bahasa is semut. And then we have grasshopper. Grasshopper in bahasa is belalang loncat. And then we have bee. Bee in bahasa is lebah. And then we have snail. Snail in bahasa is siput. And then here we have centipede. Centipede in bahasa is kelabang. And then here we have worm. Worm in bahasa is cacing. And then the last one we have mouse. Mouse in bahasa is tikus. And then the last page. Here I have a picture of garden. Garden is a noun. And then here we have a picture of plantainers. Plantainers word is noun. And then here we have a gardening. The work that plantainers do is gardening. Gardening words is a verb, or in bahasa we call kata kerja, or we call this is the work that the plantainers do. So that's all of my explanation about things in the garden. So this is my my assignment for EFYL class. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.